Good day and welcome to your daily news digest. First, in our Market Watch segment, the Nifty Index is expected to continue its uptrend this week, consolidating near record highs. Analysts are suggesting a buy on dips strategy, with a potential breakout pushing the index towards the 26,800 mark. Top stock picks highlighted for a potential rally include IndusInd Bank and PB Fintech, both with specific buy recommendations and price targets set by market experts. In aviation stocks, SpiceJet shares surged 13% today, continuing a two-day rally. The spike is largely attributed to operational disruptions at rival Indigo, which has boosted demand for SpiceJet's services. However, analysts caution that despite the short-term gains, the stock's fundamentals remain weak, citing bearish technicals, widening losses in its second quarter, and declining institutional interest. Looking at the broader market, analysts note that large-cap stocks are showing no significant fundamental change despite a recent market bounce. Following a rate cut, investors are closely watching the banking, manufacturing, and auto distribution sectors for opportunities. While banks may face temporary margin pressure, aviation continues to face challenges. Meanwhile, domestic institutions have been observed buying IT stocks as foreign investors sell. On the monetary policy front, the Reserve Bank of India may need to inject up to 2 lakh crore rupees into the financial system. This move is considered crucial to ensure its recent interest rate reduction fully transmits to the economy. The liquidity infusion would help offset drains caused by advanced tax payments and potential interventions in the foreign exchange market. For fixed income investors, short-term debt funds may be gaining favor amid a more dovish outlook on interest rates. With lower returns expected from capital gains, fund managers are recommending a focus on accrual strategies. This involves using short-term and liquid funds to earn returns primarily from interest receipts, making them a prudent choice for near-term investment horizons. In individual stock news, shares of Cain's have plunged over 43% from their October peak, with a steep 12.5% drop on Friday. Bearish momentum indicators signal a risk of further declines. However, with the stock trading nearly 26% below its 200-day moving average, some analysts believe a tactical rebound could be on the cards, with a potential recovery target at 4,541 rupees. Wall Street appears to be split on the artificial intelligence boom. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has taken a major stake in Alphabet, signaling strong confidence in AI-driven growth. In sharp contrast, investor Michael Burry is shorting AI-related companies like Palantir and Nvidia, criticizing big tech's accounting practices. Their opposing positions highlight the growing debate over whether the current AI hype is a sustainable trend or a bubble. Finally, pharmaceutical company Corona Remedies is set to launch its initial public offering, aiming to raise over 655 crore rupees. The company, which focuses on specialist doctors, has demonstrated revenue growth that outpaces the broader Indian pharmaceutical market. With strong annual growth in both revenue and net profit, the IPO is being presented as a potential long-term bet for investors with a high-risk appetite. Turning to global affairs, a peace deal between Thailand and Cambodia, previously brokered by Donald Trump, has collapsed. Thailand launched airstrikes on Cambodia after accusing its neighbor of violating a ceasefire, which resulted in the death of at least one Thai soldier. This escalation follows deadly clashes in July that had already displaced nearly 400,000 people in the region. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.